So if then I say, hey, oh yeah, this person went to school, oh my God. Even in the Church of God, as a pastor, let me tell you, one of the reasons I resigned from within Christian Church of God is the obvious tribalism in Port Harcourt, in such a way that an Igbo man cannot get to a particular, anyway, some parishes an Igbo man cannot head. One is a lucrative parish, one is a big parish, an Igbo man cannot head it. It is a decision that has been taken, and they made it very clear to us that Igbo man cannot be trusted. Like even at Port Harcourt now, place like King's Palace, place like Jesus House, place like Grace Chapel, an Igbo man have never been the provincial pastor there, have never been the area pastor there, have never been the parish pastor there, because they believe that these are the biggest branches in Port Harcourt, so the biggest parishes. And why are they doing that? Because he's an Igbo man. Even when you go to churches that are being owned by Yoruba people, you will see the level of tribalism